Easy? Absolutely not. But who likes easy anyways? What is more gratifying than what comes after a good fight? The struggle is part of the journey. We started Home Run Brokers right in the middle of a pandemic. But life becomes easier when you just accept it and make the best out of the situation. We saw an opportunity and we went for it. Instead of worrying about what we cannot control, we shift our energy towards what we can create. Our next stop, the top.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.